Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Hnin. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that every time I upload, you're gonna be notified. Before I get into this tutorial, the products that I used will be listed down in the description box with my social medias, so go check them out. Today's look is a little bit more dramatic. I've never tried this look and this is my first attempt, and so far I fell in love with it. It's another Valentine's Day look for those of you guys who want to be dramatic and bold and a little bit daring. So if you guys want to know how I created this, please keep on watching. And stick it on your hands so that the adhesive is not as sticky. You want to make a guideline, corner of your eyes. The first thing that I'm going to do is take a small smudge brush from e.l.f. and pick up this orange shade and outline my crease line. Now just smudge it upwards. Picking up the lighter shade, I'm just placing it right above the orange color as a transition color. Taking my clean fluffy brush from MAC 286 and just blending the color. Still from the Morphe 35B palette, I pick up this yellow shade and putting it all the way above the colors as a transition. Build up the color as much as you want until you're satisfied. Take your favorite concealer and cut it. Afterwards, you cut your crease, just set the concealer with the powder. Now I'm going over the concealed area with a white eyeliner, and I'll explain it to you in a bit. I'm going over with a white eyeshadow over the area where I placed the white eyeliner. I'm picking up this shimmer pink color and placing it in the center, and as you can see, I'm leaving a little gap in between where the white eyeshadow is and where the pink eyeshadow starts. I felt like the center pink wasn't as bright as I wanted to be, so I'm picking up this hot pink color and placing it in the center. Okay, so as soon as you're done with that, you can take the sides off. So I'm gonna go put on my foundation and I will be back. So I thought I was recording, but I didn't. So I'm gonna go over what I did. my mascara. So this is the final result that I created for you guys. If you guys love it, please don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell icon too so that you can be notified every time I upload. Also like the video and leave some comments below because I love to hear your feedback. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!